Today, we're gonna be doing a little spring cleaning, and I'm gonna share my favorite at-home recipe for cleaning all of your sterling silver or brass jewelry. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, a half cup of white vinegar, and 1 cup of boiling hot water. You'll also need some tin foil and a large bowl. So I'm gonna place my tin foil in the bowl, shiny side up, like so, and you can wrap the excess around the bowl. I'm gonna add the 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and the half cup of vinegar. Get ready for the fizz because it's gonna make a little bit of a chemical reaction. Just pour that in like so. Get all bubbly and fizzy. Let that calm down a bit. And I stir it up with a little spoon to dissolve some of the granules. Then we will add our hot water, boiling hot water. It's gonna fizz again. Okay. And today I'm cleaning the sterling silver Eternal hoops from our Atmosphera collection. As you can see, they look pretty gray and dingy. So we're gonna get rid of all that tarnish. I'm gonna go ahead and place these in the bowl. Just be careful not to burn your fingers with the boiling water. So I put those in the bowl, and I have some handy plastic tongs here. I'm gonna just shift those around so that as much of the metal is touching the foil as possible. I tend to let this sit in the solution for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then we come back to check. So I grab my trusty tongs again. Make sure not to burn your fingers. I'm gonna buff this with the toothbrush. Now, this method is best for any sterling silver jewelry that you have that has our signature hammered texture. I wouldn't recommend this cleaning solution for any pieces that have a high shine polish because the granules could potentially scratch the surface of the metal, especially on gold. Gold is very soft. It's a lot softer than sterling silver. So I would never want you to damage your jewelry by using this DIY method. Okay. Then I'll grab our towel and dry these off. Dry this one off too. And you'll probably start to see a little bit of tarnish coming off on the towel, so you know it's working. And then I'm gonna finish these off by buffing them with a little microfiber cloth. So as you can see, these are already so much better. They're so shiny. I usually give it a finishing touch with a sterling silver polishing cloth. This one's been very well loved. As you can see, it already has tarnish on it, but we're just gonna rub this real quick. Give a quick final buff. And there you have it. They look good as new. Super shiny. I don't see any tarnish left on these babies. So if you love this tutorial, please feel free to comment below, share it with your friends, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.